Imagine waking up in a luxurious overwater bungalow with crystal clear water lapping beneath you and stunning views of the ocean. You can spend your days lounging by your private pool, indulging in spa treatments, or exploring the nearby islands by kayak. And in the evenings, enjoy a romantic dinner under the stars while listening to the gentle sound of the waves. Get ready for a breath of fresh air because we're off to Dalat, a charming city nestled in the central highlands of Vietnam. Known as the City of Eternal Spring, Dalat enjoys a cool climate year-round, making it the perfect escape from the heat and humidity of other parts of Vietnam. Imagine strolling through flower gardens, visiting quirky architecture, and enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains.